Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to see a message on Snapchat without opening it. Let's get started. Click the Snapchat app. So let's get that open. And before I show you, I do have a message, but I am going to show you my profile first. So I'm going to click the little icon in the right-hand corner. This is my profile, Phone Pro and How-Tos. And then I'm going to slide over. There's my message. Now, you're going to grab the message and slide it to the left, but not all the way. Just enough so you can see what the message says. So do not, I repeat, do not let the message go until you slide back over if you really don't want to open this message. Remember this. This is very, very important. Just over to the left just a little bit, and you'll be able to see the whole message. Definitely, indefinitely. And then you slide back over. See how it didn't even show? So that is how you open up a message without opening it. Thank you for watching. I really hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.